Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith. Today we are diving into a topic that will set the tone for your year. How to set and achieve your goals in 2025. Whether you are aiming to start a business, improve your relationship, or work on personal growth, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step number 1. Reflect on your past year. Before setting new goals, take a moment to reflect on 2024. Ask yourself, what did I achieve? What challenges did I face? What could I have done better or differently? Understanding your past helps you identify what works and what doesn't, paving the way for a clearer 2025. Step number 2. Define your goals clearly. The key to achieving goals is clarity. Use the SMART framework. Specific. Be clear about what you want. Measurable. Quantify your goals. Achievable. Ensure it is realistic. Relevant. Align it with your bigger vision. Time-bound. Set a deadline. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, say I will save 50,000 monthly by setting aside 20% of my income. Step number 3. Break goals into smaller steps. Big goals can feel overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller actionable steps make them manageable. Write your annual goals. Break them into monthly targets. Further split them into weekly and daily actions. Remember that small steps leads to big results. Step number 4. Create a plan and stick to it. Now, create a schedule. Use tools like a planner or a journal, digital calendars with reminders, or goal tracking apps. Consistency is key. Set aside time daily or weekly to review your progress. Step number 5. Stay accountable. Accountability keeps you on track. Share your goals with trusted friends and mentors. Join a support group or mastermind. Celebrate small wins together. Step number 6. Overcome challenges. Challenges are inevitable. When they arise, stay adaptable. Adjust your plans if needed. Stay motivated by revisiting why you set the goal. Take breaks when necessary to avoid being burnt out. Step number 7. Celebrate your wins. Every milestone matters, no matter how small. Celebrating keeps you motivated and reminds you of your progress. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to setting and achieving your goals in 2025. Remember, success isn't about perfection, it's about progress. Stay committed, stay consistent, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more inspirational content. Here is to smashing your goals in 2025. Thank you for watching.